Today I'm going to show you what $30 can get you in Batumi. So we are in the Orbi city. We are on the 26th floor. This is $30 a night, even in high season. So here is your closet. Lots of space. Also have our shoes there. This, you gotta put the key card in to get power, electricity. The bathroom. Your toilet. There's even, oh, this is cool. This is your flusher, right? If you go number 1, pee, or number 2, poop. But you even got storage in here. And then the water heater is up there. It's a little water heater, but I burn my skin. You know I like my showers. Woo! Super hot. And it did not disappoint. So here's your sink. You've got 2 mirrors here. 1 and 2. Good size shower, also with a towel rack in there. All right, for the kitchen, there's just 1 burner or stovetop. You've got storage up here. You got your dishes down low. You've got 1 fridge here. Silverware. You've got outlets over here, which is nice. Trash is down there. You got your 2nd fridge here. This is a requirement for us, definitely. Washer. All right, so that's how you enter. And then you come here into the living room. So you have a single bed there if you need it. This couch also folds out into a sofa bed. You've got actually 4 chairs. As well as the, well, that's bad lighting. How about that? There you go. As well as the aircon. So quite a bit of space in this living room. This unit can sleep 5 people because you have the single bed, sleeper sofa. It pulls out. And then, so this is a true 1 bedroom, right? For $30 in the Orbi City. Twin Towers. Like, this is amazing. This bed, again, incredibly comfortable. You've got your 2nd aircon. Got a nightstand. Another nightstand. This is another closet. Oh, there. It's hard to open. But again, look at all this space. Oh, I forgot to show these. You have TV number 1 here in the bedroom. TV number 2. So there's really almost 2 of everything. And then for the view, the balcony for the win. Hold on. First I'll show you how big it is. You've got all that space down there. And all this space, hello, right here. for this view. Look how close we are. It's been rainy, and it's actually raining right now. My phone's getting wet. It's been rainy and overcast the last 2 days, but that's okay because we're still in Batumi. So, sea view. I mean, like, look how close we are. That's the bottom. We just walk right across the street. Boom, we're on the beach. City view. And you got some mountain views back in there as well. Like, look at that. Okay. So out of the 3 places we've stayed during this trip to Batumi, I would say this one is my favorite. One, it's the cheapest, right at $30. It's the biggest. It's a true 1-bedroom apartment, and it's close to the beach